Got original 1957 Oldsmobile Deluxe. This is the original AM radio. We repolished all the chrome, the push buttons on it. We actually had to redo all the lettering on it because the paint was just falling off of it. Redone it, the background, and we done a Aurora Design conversion. We put in a new speaker in his, took the amps out of it, put a new speaker in. That's the one he'll be using in the dash, and then you have 2 more channels you can use somewhere else. It has a pre-out on it if you want to add a little sub under the seat. And everything polished up good. I gotta wipe them, I got my fingerprints on it. Anyhow, you got AM FM stereo, auxiliary in, and USB. 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. Built-in fader and toner, fader and balance in your toning control. This is your toner. Got all your push buttons presets still working.
Dallas is taking it up with their new signature.
Want to do a preset? You just pull it over the side, pull it out, find your station that you want, preset it.
And a turban. On Friday as well. This is gonna...
Just like that. Want to go to AM radio? Just simply turn the radio off and right back on. It changes light there. There's your AM radio. Off and right back on, takes you right back to the FM stereo. Your auxiliary in, this is your harness for your USB and auxiliary, and this will charge your phone, your devices, play a thumb drive you'll be getting with it, and a male-to-male cord to play any device you want to stick into it. XM radio, satellite, CD players, your phone. And all you do is just plug it in. It is automatic. Bring your device up and just touch on. While we do that, we're going to show you how the balance and fader work. That's wide open treble, that's wide open bass. Just find the center of it. And you're going to go into fader. If you got 3 or more speakers, you'll have fader. All you do is go clockwise twice, like a 12 to 2 motion. 1, 2. It's going to beep. When it quits through beeping, you're going to be in the fader mode. As long as you're moving this toner control, you can fade from front to rear. 1, 2. It's going to beep. There's our rears. There's your fronts. Balance it out. Let it beep. Back on treble and bass. Balance control. Back to the center. This time you're going counterclockwise, like a 12 to 10 motion. And we're going to go into balance mode. There's your right. Balance it out, let it beep. Back on treble and bass. When you get ready to come off any device, all you got to do is just simply turn it off. And then 20 seconds, the radio will go back to where you had it. If you want to shorten that 20 seconds up, just turn the radio off and right back on. It will automatically switch over just like you was switching from AM to FM, but it will remember where you were at. We're going to let it do its thing. Switch back over. We're back on FM. That's how your auxiliary in works. You'll get a male-to-male cord like this. Your USB port, you'll get a thumb drive like this with music on it, and you can add your music to the file. You can take my music off of it, just whatever you like. When you plug this in, the radio will automatically change over to it. two ways that you can work your USB. You get a push button. They come in blue and red. And you can also work it with just the radio, which is pretty cool. You take the volume knob, the tuner knob, and just turn it up a notch. It'll change music for you. Turn it back, it'll repeat and back up. You can also use the push button. You won't go to pause without the push button. You just take the volume knob and go down twice. 1, 2. That'll put this in pause. Now we're going right back to radio. Back on stereo. The reason why I said you could hide this, you can operate it all from the radio or with the push button. If you want to go back to your USB stick, turn it down twice. 1, 2. Right back to your thumb drive. The push buttons are neat. I ain't got this one plugged in, but they light up. You can get it closer to you where you can just touch it. And you don't have to worry about this. All you got to do is touch it once to advance your song, twice to back up, hold it down 1 second to put it in pause and bring it back up. Put it back in pause. Now we're going right back to radio. This is the original 1957 Oldsmobile Deluxe, original AM radio with all the bling. I think they're neat looking. They cleaned up nice. All your numbers look good. We redone them. I got 4 of these radios here, and every one of them, the numbers are falling off. This has been completely repainted for you and ready to go. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Brand new bulb in it. It's got the original light. Looks good. And it's ready to go. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.